Man, I miss America. Man, I miss a Chick-fil-A sandwich. Man, Chick-fil-A sandwich is so good. I should make one. Can I make one? Let's see. Hello, Meerkat class. Teacher Byron here again. Hello, everybody. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today, I want to show you an adventure that I'm going to go on. Get ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go. It's a nice and sunny day today. Leaving my place and I'm eating a grapefruit. What do you like to eat? I like to eat a grapefruit. To go buy some stuff because today I want to go cook a couple things with one of my friends. So let's go on an adventure. Let's see. So I actually have to sit outside and wait for it to open because Global Mall doesn't open till 11:30 now. I want to make a famous food in America that I miss. That food is called a chicken sandwich. It's from a special fast food restaurant called Chick-fil-A. In America, we love a restaurant called Chick-fil-A. They make one of the best chicken sandwiches and waffle fries. And today I want to show you guys how I can make the same exact chicken sandwich from this restaurant. So I'm in Jason's Mart looking for pickle juice, one of the special ingredients that I don't have at home that I need to make this chicken sandwich. Let's see, where is the pickle juice? Oh, here's some pickles. I wonder which one will taste good. So we have to get special dill pickles. Everybody say dill pickles. Okay, let's go to the checkout. Okay, we got everything we needed from Jason's. Now it's time to take public transportation and get on my favorite, the bus. And the MRT. Before we miss the bus. Can't miss the bus. Let's go. We made it on the bus. And this lady told me to take off my mask. I said, not in Taiwan. I'm trying to be safe. Keep your mask on. Everybody, be safe.
Yes, come on, shorty, let's go. Girl, I see you over there in the corner of the dance floor, and I know you. Come on, shorty.
Avocado. Hey, avocado. Okay, I'm over here with Avocado, and we about to go to PX Mart now to go buy some things to make this chicken sandwich. Say Avocado.
Hey guys, what's up? Eat your vegetables.
Here we go. Let's go on an adventure. What do you want to buy? I want to buy some yellow mustard. We need this first to make a sauce. And then put it in this, you can stop. What do you want to buy? We need to buy some chicken. Put it in the cart. Make this food. Ziploc bags. Weird. Where's Ziploc bags? There we go. Need the Ziploc bags. So we finally made it to DJ Avocado's house, and now it's cooking with Teacher Byron. Are you ready, Meerkat class? Let's go. Make sure you wash your hands. Meerkat class. So we have ketchup, we have honey, we have mustard, and we have this bowl. We're going to make a Chick-fil-A sauce first. So we have the honey. Then we need to add some mustard. If I can open the mustard. Add some mustard. That's about enough. Then add some ketchup. Right there. And then we're going to add some lime juice. So I need to cut the lime. And then we need the lime juice. So we're gonna squeeze some lime juice inside. Get all that lime. Mayo. Mayonnaise. Mayo for short. Just pour it all in there. We're about to make a sauce. The mayo in there consistently. So there's no more white. Next, we need to make our seasoning for the flour. So we use natural pink salt. We use some pepper, some garlic, some chili powder, some paprika, and we put it all together in this bowl right here. And also we need powdered sugar, and we need baking powder. So I'll put a little bit of powdered sugar in first with the spoon. This is enough. Powdered sugar, give it a little sweet taste. And then we add a little bit of baking soda. To crack the eggs open, go ahead and add it together so I can just pour them in the bowl since I already put them in. Just pour them in. This is gonna give us all that flavor. Test it first. And mix it up. To crack the eggs open, go ahead and ready to keep cooking. Let's go. Add some milk to the egg. This is our egg wash. That's enough milk. And we just need to mix it up. So we have that good, so it's turn yellow, good yellow. Put it right next to the flour. And now we in business. Time to get the chicken. Pretty. We can do 2 and 2. Give it that flavor. We can actually put all the chickens in there. And then we want to go ahead and dump our pickle juice in here. See this nice pickle juice? I'm going to dump that in there. And now we want to add 1/4 cup of water next. There's some water. Add 1/4. Go ahead and add that in there. Wash the tomato. Use the filter water. Got all day here. We're trying to eat. So we want to take it out. Go ahead and take the chicken out. Take it out. Okay. That's that pickle juice chicken. We ready. We ready for business now. Okay. So first thing we do, that pickle juice chicken, we go ahead and put it in that flour. You want to press down on it. You want to cover it up. You want to get it down first. Make sure we get it in there first. Okay, so you see how the flour is everywhere in this chicken? See? Nice. This the secret right here. We're gonna put it in this egg wash. Take it out. Put it back in the flour. That's the secret right here. I'll check my time. And we put it back in there. Cover it up, press it down. That's the secret too, pressing it down. Okay, flip it. Okay, now we got one ready. Okay, we got the finished product here. Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich from my favorite restaurant. You ready to eat, Avocado?
I'm ready.
You ready, Meerkat class?
Yeah.
Let's eat. Okay, here we go. Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich made by Teacher Byron. Now it's time to enjoy. Avocado, you ready?
I'm ready, baby.